Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into a must-have for all you keto enthusiasts out there. The 365 by Whole Foods Market Mayonnaise, the ultimate keto-friendly condiment. Let's jump right in. Now, what sets this mayonnaise apart from the rest? Well, it's simple, quality ingredients and unbeatable taste. Made with expeller-pressed canola oil and organic cage-free eggs, this mayo is a game-changer for anyone following a ketogenic lifestyle. Let's talk numbers. With 110 calories per serving and 0 grams of sugar, this mayo won't throw off your macros. Plus, with 58 servings per container, you'll have plenty to go around for all your favorite keto recipes. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the creamy texture and delicious flavor of this mayo. Whether you're spreading it on whole grain bread or mixing it into chicken salad, the 365 by Whole Foods Market Mayonnaise delivers every time. Some users have noted a slight sweetness, reminiscent of Miracle Whip, but overall, the consensus is clear: this mayo is a winner. Now, let's talk ingredients. With organic cage-free eggs, organic distilled vinegar, and sea salt, you can feel good about what you're putting into your body. Plus, it's free from hydrogenated oils and artificial colors, so you can enjoy it guilt-free. From the manufacturer, 365 by Whole Foods Market is committed to providing high-quality products at prices that won't break the bank. With their extensive range of organic and non-GMO offerings, you can trust that you're getting the best of the best. So there you have it, folks. The 365 by Whole Foods Market Mayonnaise, the best keto mayo on the market. Whether you're following a ketogenic diet or simply looking for a delicious and wholesome condiment, this mayo has you covered. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. And be sure to subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy eating.